The P. Sara Oval in Colombo will be remembered not for the second test which begins between India and Sri Lanka today, but for being the final curtain call of one of cricket's most distinguished, successful and emulated role models. Kumar Sangakkara will walk out to bat for his country, content in knowing that he has been assured of a place among the pantheon of the game's greatest servants. More than that, Sangakkara can be whatever he chooses to be in his native Sri Lanka. So deep-rooted is the respect and dignity for the man who has served his country selflessly as a wicketkeeper, batsman and captain. The countdown for Sanga's 15-year career begins tomorrow. His presence will be celebrated throughout the 5 days of this test, which India will be hoping to win in order to draw level with the hosts in this series. All eyes, however, will be on Sri Lanka's favourite son, as he adds to his total of 12,350 runs, which came from 133 tests, studded with 38 centuries, which puts him in 5th place in the list of the game's all-time batsmen. Sangakkara is without doubt the most successful left-hander ever in terms of runs and centuries, and boasts of a staggering 57.71 average. But not all of Sangakkara's talents can be restricted to cricket. A lawyer by profession, he is well-read and articulate. He is also one of the game's most effective sledgers, standing behind the stumps and slicing into the characters of established batsmen with well-chosen but morale-shattering observations. He could, in time, become one of the game's most respected statesmen. The truth is that Sangakkara has always worn his fame lightly. Perhaps he should, given that after he walks off the pitch, his appeal will be 10 times more than it is now.